So this is the video where I basically tell you why I'm experienced enough to teach you. So I'm going to go way back when I was 10 years old. That is whenever I first got into programming. This was back in the days when nobody was a programmer. And basically my neighbor was throwing out what they considered a junk computer, which was a TRS-80. And I became completely infatuated with it and loved it. And as I got older, I went into schooling for electrical engineering. And while I was going to school, I attended a science fair in which I created a VR system with a head-mounted display, as well as haptic feedback gloves using what were called Nintendo Power Gloves. You can go search for those on Google and you can see what they look like. And I won that science fair, and I was approached by somebody from Apple to go and work for them. I worked on QuickTime and QuickTime VR related technologies, and I enjoyed that very much. Afterwards, I worked in the financial industry. I was very fascinated with statistics and being able to use my computer skills to figure out the stock market. And I did that for a while. And then the Great Recession, global recession, occurred. And at that point in time, I decided that I wanted to sort of change my life. So I created a business, and it had mainly three main goals, one of which was to provide, I gave all-day lectures on different skills that people could utilize to then go on and get a new job or start a business or whatever. They cost $30 a day, and I absolutely love doing them. And I taught people how to develop websites, and I taught people marketing and design and all kinds of other different things. I worked with a lot of other gifted people who also taught. Another thing that I wanted to do was to provide business owners at that time who did not have online stores. I helped them create online stores, and I didn't charge them anything up front. I said that I'll take a percentage of the profits unless, you want to pay me up front. That did occur as well, and I was able to turn around a lot of businesses, and that was very rewarding. And the third thing that I wanted to do was that I wanted to provide an online education to the world. And this was in 2008. It was very much the infancy of YouTube. And I made over 1,000 videos. And last time I checked, I had over 96 million views. And I rank in the top 3 in pretty much every programming language on YouTube. If you go and type a programming language into YouTube, you're probably going to see my name. So I did that for over 10 years. So I've made over 1,000 educational courses that have been watched by 96 million people. It's kind of amazing. And I wanted to really, some things have changed at YouTube, and I wanted to expand into this area where I could provide a complete educational experience with books, downloadable books, and downloadable code, and downloadable, compilers built directly into browsers, and just all of that, and just make videos, courses, instead of individual videos, so that I could feel that I was actually really teaching people. So I have over 26 years of professional programming experience and over 10 years of video tutorial experience as well. So hopefully that's beneficial to you. It's been pretty beneficial to me, and thank you for taking a look at my course, and hopefully you enjoy it and you get something out of it. So thank you.